Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make hard reset on your headphones Soundcore Q20i. To make a hard reset, you should press and hold at the same time volume up button and power button. So, here we go. Now we should see that this flat light blinking 2 times. Here we go. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device. Forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.